Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your retirement with Edward Jones step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather your income statements, expenses, and debts. Calculate your net worth by subtracting liabilities from assets. Identify your retirement goals and timelines. Consider when you would like to retire and what lifestyle you envision. Research different retirement account options. Explore traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, and 401k plans. Understand the tax implications associated with each account type. Determine how much you need to save for retirement. Use retirement calculators to estimate your required savings. Create a budget to track your progress towards your retirement goals. Set up automatic contributions to your retirement accounts. This ensures consistent savings without the need for manual transfers. Diversify your investment portfolio. Include a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets to mitigate risk. Consult with a financial advisor at Edward Jones. Seek personalized advice tailored to your financial situation and goals. Review your investment performance regularly. Adjust your strategy based on market conditions and personal circumstances. Stay informed about trends in the financial markets. This will help you make informed decisions throughout your retirement planning. Consider long-term care insurance as part of your retirement strategy. It can protect your savings from unexpected healthcare costs. Be aware of Social Security benefits and how they fit into your plan. Decide when to start taking benefits for maximum financial advantage. Keep your estate plan updated. This includes wills, trusts, and beneficiary designations. Finally, stay committed to your plan and review it annually. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.